Here's how to remove track changes in Word in order to create a clean document. So you'll notice once we open this document, we have lots of edits here, different types of formatting, as well as crossing out some of these words here, as well as some comments over on the side. So the first thing we have is notice how in the markup section it has all markup. If you wanted to keep these changes, you can select no markup and it'll hide everything. Or if you want to see where the changes were made, you can go ahead and click simple markup. Now for our case, we want to remove all of these, so we're going to go ahead, and it doesn't matter what we click, but say for example all markup, and then go ahead and go to accept, and then we want to accept all changes and stop tracking. So now that got rid of all of our changes and accepted all of them. Now we can go ahead and get rid of these comments. So say for example all these comments are resolved. It'll still show here as the comment resolved, and if we wanted to create a clean document, we can go ahead and go over to delete and delete all resolved comments or delete all comments in the document. So if we click delete all comments in the document, it gets rid of everything, and then we have a clean version that we can work from.